Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by diagnosing VAN57 on Windows 10 or 11. Reboot the PC 2 times, then open Task Manager and look for VGC, EXE, and VGK, EXE. If neither process appears, check Services for Riot Vanguard status and inspect C/Windows/System32/drivers for VGC, SYS, and VGK. SYS, confirm you are running a 64-bit OS and that secure boot or driver signature enforcement is not blocking unsigned drivers. Note that Windows updates can change driver behavior. Record the last update date before making changes. To repair Vanguard, open Task Manager and VGC, EXE, and VGK. EXE, then run the Riot client as administrator and choose Repair or Reinstall Vanguard. If the client fails, uninstall Vanguard via Settings Apps or run the Vanguard uninstaller, wait 60 seconds, then reinstall from the Riot client. If the installer still fails due to driver signature enforcement, restart to Advanced Startup. Choose Troubleshoot Advanced Options Startup Settings. Disable driver signature enforcement temporarily, then complete the install and reboot normally. For persistent VAN57 issues, run System Maintenance. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair corrupted system files. Add Riot Vanguard and the game executable to your antivirus and Windows security exclusions, and ensure all pending Windows updates and GPU driver updates are installed. As a preventive measure, avoid third-party kernel drivers and keep Secure Boot enabled after resolving the issue. If the error remains, gather a system report with driver versions, recent update dates, and contact Riot support for guided troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.